Greetings. If you've not tried out Ziteboard.com, you should, because there are so many cool things on Ziteboard. I'm going to call this cool thing number 11. Of course, if you know any other cool things, please share. But here's cool thing number 11. You can copy and paste images from the web into your board. So let's take a look at Wikipedia. That guy looks like an interesting fellow, so I copy his image, copy image, and then I go back to my board, click anywhere, paste. And there he is. How cool is that? Again, if you know of any other cool things in Ziteboard, please leave a comment. Be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and go check out Ziteboard.com.